All right, so we're back on the AI agent store. It's definitely become part of the daily routine at this point.
Sort of morning coffee, yeah. See what's new.
Totally. And today we've pulled up one called ACE from a company called General Agents.
Hmm.
And the thing that just, jumps right out is how they label it. It's not an assistant or a chatbot. They're calling it a virtual worker.
That is a very specific, very bold title. But I mean, when you dig into how it actually works, it might just earn it.
Okay, so how does it work?
Well, most of the agents we look at are back-end tools,
Yeah.
right? They process code or text behind the scenes.
Right, in the cloud somewhere.
Exactly. ACE is completely different. It works on the front end. It is designed to literally automate tasks by taking control of the mouse and keyboard.
So it's actually moving the cursor around and typing on the screen.
It's simulating a human user one-to-one, which leads to, I think, its biggest selling point.
No API factor. I saw that. That's huge.
It's the whole game. Usually, to get two apps to work together, you need that API, that digital bridge. If it doesn't exist, you're out of luck.
But ACE doesn't need the bridge.
It doesn't need it. It uses computer vision. It basically it looks at the screen the same way we do. It sees a button, it knows it's a button, and it clicks it.
And according to the stats here, it's not just fumbling around. They're claiming 94% autonomy.
94%, which means it can handle a really complex workflow, from start to finish without getting lost and needing a person to step in.
And it's doing this at, what's the phrase here? Superhuman speed.
Yeah, specifically 20 times faster than the alternatives, which is just wild.
Okay, but that kind of performance, it must have had some pretty unique training.
It did, and this is the part I find fascinating. It wasn't just fed like a text manual for Microsoft Word.
Right.
The profile says it was trained on over 1 million tasks from screen recordings of actual humans doing their jobs.
So it learned by watching people work.
Exactly. It has what they call an intuitive understanding of software. It knows that a little floppy disk icon means save, not because it read that in some code.
But because it's watched thousands of people click that icon when they want to save something.
It's just mimicry on a massive scale.
So who is this for? I see they list software developers, business analysts, but they seem to be really zeroing in on QA, quality assurance.
Oh, it's a perfect tool for QA. I mean, think about it. A QA engineer's job is to pretend to be a user and try to break the software.
Right, clicking on everything, filling out forms the wrong way.
Yeah, and normally you have to write these really complicated scripts to automate that. With ACE, you can just tell it, go on this website and try to buy a pair of shoes, and it will navigate the site just like a real person would. It's testing the actual experience.
So the big question, how do we get our hands on this?
Well, that's the catch. It's currently in research preview.
Okay, so limited access.
Very. And it's closed source with that classic enterprise contact for pricing model. So they know it's powerful.
Makes sense.
But it leaves you with a really interesting thought about where work is going, doesn't it?
How so?
We used to think that to automate something, you had to know how to code. You had to tell the computer exactly what to do in its own language.
Yeah, you had to be a programmer.
But a tool like ACE suggests we're moving to a world where you just have to show the computer what to do, maybe just once. The barrier for creating really powerful automation is about to drop to almost zero.
Show, don't tell. It's taking on a whole new meaning. Well, if you want to see the profile for yourself, you can find it over at aiagentstore.ai.
Definitely worth a look.
And hey, a quick thank you to everyone who has been rating the show. It really, really helps us out.